She's eating the feathers. We just got these little birds. They don't flap their wings, they just make noise when they hit. But look, she is amazed with the other one. Now we're only going to show you one right now because she is playing with the other one right now. I think she likes it because of the smell and also the bird feathers. So she already almost ripped this one, so the other one's not going to survive. So these have catnip. That's what they do. That's why she's all into it right now. So she likes it. Oh, the other one, what's left of it, but she likes it. Look at that. She's wrestling it out.